is from Christian from the United States. Hello, Pastor. I love you. My name is Christian and I'm 16 years old. My question is, Jesus is the Messiah and the Antichrist is the false Messiah. Jesus was given birth to by a virgin and lived a human life. For example, he was a baby, a toddler, a teenager, and an adult. Now, will the Antichrist have to go through the stages of the human life, or will he just appear? Very good question. Yes.
Pastor, thank you so much for the opportunity to be on set with you again today. I love you so much. Thank you, sir. Also, if I may read a scripture from 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 3. The scriptures say, "Let no man deceive you by any means, for that day shall not come, except they come a falling away first, and that man of sin be revealed, the son of perdition." So this really lets us know the Antichrist is a man, and being a man, he's going to be born. I'm sure the question he's trying to figure out, is he going to mysteriously appear from out of the blues, or will he be born and go through the normal process of human development? He will be born as a child, he will grow, he will be nourished, he will have the stages of development, but he's a son of perdition and a man of sin. And from the teachings you've given us and the timetable of God's calendar to the rapture of the church, he evidently has already been born and has been growing and developing along.
So your question has been well answered.
Pastor, can I just add?
Yes, please.
Thank you, Pastor, for the opportunity to be on the set today. I'm very grateful and I love you. Pastor, in the book of Revelation, chapter 13, the Bible talks about the beast rising out of the sea. And you told us that that is the Antichrist, and he will come from among men. And he will be given, the dragon will give him power. So he will be a man that will come up from amongst other men and be given power by the devil.
Beautiful scriptures. Thank you very much. So if you use references, they clearly express to you that these are human beings, the Antichrist and his false prophet. Both of them will be human beings.